Okay, this is lesson 1.2, video number 3, and we're working with proposition 1.2. Well, this kind of looks similar to 1.1. There are some similarities, but there's some differences too. If a sub 1, a sub 2, to a sub n plus 1 is any sequence, then for 1.2, it states that we can have I equals 1, or we have sigma, and an m plus n a sub I equals summation of I equals 1 to m for a sub I plus summation from I equals m plus 1 to m plus n for a sub I. And it also looks at product. I equals 1, again, m plus n for a sub I. Again, that would be the same thing. I equals 1 to m for a sub I. But now this time, because we're talking about products, this will be multiplying. And then I equals m plus 1 to m plus n. Okay, so let's take a look at an example. Now, sum and product are going to be worked the same way. So since we did one with sum, we'll do one with product this time. Suppose m equals 5 and n equals 3. So we're going to have I, product from I equals 1 to 5 plus 3 for m plus n for a sub I. And so that's going to be, we're looking at products from 1 equals 1 to 5 for a sub I times, and then I equals 5 plus 1, so that'd be 5, so it stops at 5, so this will continue at 6, and so this will be 5 plus 3, and that'll give you 8 sub I. So we're looking at here, I'm just going to rewrite this, I equals 1, 5, a sub I times, and then looking at I equals 6 to 8 for a sub I. All right, so this will be a 1 times a 2 times a 3 times a 4 times a 5. And so that's this first group here times a 6 times a 7 times a 8. And that's all there is to that. And that concludes this video presentation for proposition 1.2.